Preparing your vegetable garden in October is essential for ensuring a successful growing season the following year. Here's a 13 step-by-step guide to help you prepare your garden in October. Clean up the garden, remove all spent crops and weeds from the garden area. Compost disease-free plant material and dispose of diseased plants to prevent the spread of diseases. Beneficial organisms. Many beneficial organisms in the soil, like earthworms, thrive on decaying plant material. Leaving the roots in the ground provides them with a food source, mycorrhizae, and habitat. Caution: diseased plants should be disposed of with the roots to avoid perpetuation of the disease in the next season. Roots disposed for recycling dumps should be dirt-free. Disease management: some diseases can overwinter in plant debris. Properly composting or disposing of the plant material can help reduce the risk of diseases in the following season. If vegetable plants were affected by diseases or pests, some gardeners prefer to clear their garden beds entirely to prepare for the next planting season. Amend to improve the fertility of the soil. Add organic matter such as compost, well-rotted manure, or cover crops like clover or winter rye. This improves soil structure and fertility. Mulch the garden. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or leaves, to protect the soil from erosion, conserve moisture, and regulate temperature. Protect perennials. Mulch around perennial plants to protect them from winter frost and conserve moisture. Start a compost pile with the kitchen scraps and garden debris. A well-maintained compost pile provides rich organic material for your garden. Protect garden structures. Check garden structures such as trellises, fences, and supports. Or repair or replace damaged parts. If you plan to add new paths, raised beds, or other hardscaping features, October is a good time to do it before the ground freezes. Plan your garden layout. Decide which crops you want to grow next season and plan their layout in the garden. Consider crop rotation to prevent soil-borne diseases. Soil testing. Test your soil to understand its composition and nutrient levels. This will help you amend the soil effectively for the next season. Adjust soil pH if necessary by adding lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Prepare garden beds. If you have raised beds, refresh the soil by adding a mix of compost and topsoil. Double digging garden beds can help improve soil structure, especially if your soil is compacted. Plan for watering. Ensure your garden has access to water. Consider installing drip irrigation systems or soaker hoses for efficient watering next season. Clean and store garden tools. Clean your garden tools, sharpen blades, and oil moving parts. Properly store them to prevent rust and damage during winter. Learn and research. Take this time to learn about new gardening techniques, plants, or pest control methods that you can implement in the coming season. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a productive and healthy vegetable garden in the next growing season. Happy gardening and thanks for visiting.